What's good, gang? It's your boy Blade, and I'm back at it again with another late one. So basically, today is a Monday. We ended last week. We were up around $100. Most of you guys were asking what prop farm I use and then what broker. So I'm using Pip Farm, and then the broker is C Trader. That's just what up. So today is Monday. The week has been crazy, yo. Like last week was crazy. According to what's going on, I feel like the market is still gonna drop, right? I feel like it's still gonna drop because the tariffs were announced last week. Then this week they finna start causing effect, right? It's not really a good week to trade, but then at the end of the day, it could still be a very beautiful week to trade, right? Let's wait and see what happens. It's a fresh week, fresh day. Today is day number 2. Let's wait and see what happens. I feel like I wanna increase my risk a little bit. Shut up, man. Let's just wait and see. If I do get in any trade, I'll be updating you guys in a minute. So without no further ado, let's get it. Alright guys, first trade of the day is XAUUSD. As you guys can see, I'm in on some sales. I wanted to see a breakout of this area. So basically, as you guys can see, prices dropped last week. We had this bit of crazy push in the early morning, and then I was looking at this area as my recent support zone. So prices pushed, this is how much they bought, and then the discount came back in, this is how much they bought. So basically I was waiting for a breakout, which I've got pullback, rejection, though I've got in before the candlestick has closed, but I'm basically in relatively smaller loss, but it is what it is. So this is the first trade of the day. Let's wait and see if themselves gonna drop. I'll be updating you guys in a minute. Let's get it.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so gold, we've gotten weak out. Well, it's still a stop loss, but we've gotten stopped out. I think I gave this a very small stop loss, right? So this kind of stick right here came, stopped us out and pulled back.
Later that same evening.
Alright guys, in on the last trade of the day. This is Euro USD, the 15 minutes, as you guys can see. So basically this is not really a good trade. I have really forced this trade, but let's just wait, because I actually saw this after getting in, you feel me? So I was supposed to get in right here, but I was like, let me wait for the breakout, right? So let me wait for the breakout of this bit of a support zone. But then I saw this candlestick and I was like, I rushed into it and then I got into it. I was like, let me just let it be. Anyways, it is what it is. Let's just wait and see what happens. I'll be updating you guys in a minute. Let's get it.
Eventually.
This is the Euro USD the sale that I took prior. I ain't gonna lie, today hasn't really been a good day, but anyway, we've lost the second trade of the day. We done trading for the day. Alright guys, so I ain't gonna lie, for real, today has been crazy, like, and I did actually expect this in the markets, but I don't know where I lost it. But we've took 2 L's. We've lost the Euro USD trade and the gold trade. I was trying to, I don't know why, but I felt like the USD needed a comeback, so I was trying to sell the cross pairs of USD. That's Euro USD and gold up, because I felt like the USD had dropped a lot, so it needed a pullback, you feel me? But I lost out on most of the trades. So basically, other than that, I'm done trading for the day. I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. Let's get it.
Tomorrow for sure.
Alright guys, so basically today is Tuesday. I ain't gonna lie, I'm getting cooked. Like I'm really getting cooked. But I actually already took the first trade of the day, which I lost. I took a USD card trade, which I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. So far I'm already down around $30, around $25 I think. So I'm taking the last trade of the day. If we lose this one, we're back in the negatives, but at the end of the day, it is what it is. Let's just wait and see what happens. I'll be updating you guys in a minute. Let's get it. Alright guys, so I'm backing on some USD card sales, as you guys can see. I've just re-entered this trade. Actually, I had already gotten stopped out earlier, but I've just re-entered. So as you guys can see, prices is in a bit of a pullback. We had that bit of push towards the downside, and then prices is pulling back, and then I saw a bit of a change of structure on the 15 minute. So I was like, let me just get in. So as you guys can see, I'm in again on some sales. I'm trying to sell this again the second time of the day. If I lose this one, well, I'm down for it, you feel me? but let's just wait and see what happens. I'll be updating you guys in a minute. Let's get it.
A few moments later.
All right, so we just lost out. This is USD card. We got in stopped out, as you guys can see right there. We've hit the second loss of the day. We actually tried to sell this twice, but we failed. So all right, guys, so basically we're back to break even. We're back to 5,000, right? We're back to 5,000. As you guys can see, the balance is 5,000. We actually started the day when we was up, but we're back to break even. So basically we're done trading for the day. Probably see you guys tomorrow. This is actually the second day that I'm losing both trades of the day, which is crazy, but it's all good. I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. Let's get it.